Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to live stream video directly on your Wix website, you're in exactly the right spot. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently set up a live stream, schedule events, and even monetize your online broadcasts, all through Wix.com. Whether you're hosting a virtual event, giving a workshop, or just sharing your latest update, you'll leave here ready to go live and reach your audience right from your site. Let's get started, and don't worry, I'll walk through each step clearly so you can follow along with ease. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to your Wix dashboard and navigate to the app market. This is essentially Wix's version of an app store, where you can search for and add handy tools to your site. In the search bar, type in Wix Video. You'll see the default Wix Video app pop up. Go ahead and add that to your site if you haven't already. Wix Video is what's going to make live streaming possible, right inside your website. Once you've installed Wix Video, you'll be taken to the Manage Video section. This is the central hub where you can upload pre-recorded videos, but what we really want to focus on today is going live. Look for the option that lets you select Live Stream. It might take a second to spot because Wix offers lots of video options. Think of it as a studio that lets you prep and organize your content, whether it's recorded or live. When you choose Live Stream, Wix gives you two main options: scheduling an event ahead of time or going live instantly. For today's tutorial, let's walk through scheduling a live stream event. This is perfect if you want to give your viewers a heads up or build excitement before you go live. Don't worry if you're just testing things. You can always choose Go Live Now when you're ready for real-time broadcasting, even if you're on mobile or desktop. Next, you'll need to choose a channel for your live stream. Think of channels as different sections or categories on your site, like webinars, classes, or announcements. Your live stream will automatically play in whichever channel you select, so pick the one that's most relevant for your content. Now let's set the schedule. You pick the exact date and time for your event to go live. This feature is super useful if you want to coordinate with viewers in different time zones or promote a specific moment for your broadcast. Take your time here and double-check the time so you don't accidentally go live in the middle of the night. Trust me, it happens. Wix also lets you fill in video info, like the title and description. The clearer you make this, the easier it is for viewers to know what your stream is about. Next up, video pricing. Here, you decide whether viewers can watch for free or need to pay, which is fantastic if you're hosting an exclusive event or want to monetize your effort. You can add a trailer too, a short teaser video that gets people excited and gives them a taste of your content, especially handy if you're selling or renting access. More about this video lets you give your audience additional info, credit the cast and crew if you have them, add a cover poster, or share any behind-the-scenes details. And if you're a premium user, there's a great option to let viewers embed your live stream. This means folks can grab a small piece of HTML code and share your stream on their own site, expanding your reach much further. When you've filled out all these details, click Save. You're almost there. The final step is connecting your stream to an encoder. Wix will provide you with a server URL and a stream key. These are essential. Just copy and paste them into your encoder setup, like OBS or Streamlabs. When you're ready, hit Start Streaming in your encoder, and you'll be live on your Wix site. That's it. You've set up a professional-style live stream right on Wix. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Drop any questions you have in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides about building your online presence. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your live stream.